Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and I say welcome to you. And if you've been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos and keep sharing my videos. So today guys, I'm preparing this chicken stew. I call it my upgraded Nigerian chicken stew. You can see how fine the face of this stew is, and this stew can go with anything you want to use it for. Guys, if you want to see how I made this delicious stew, please just watch this video to the end. Guys, let's start cooking. So guys, for our chicken stew, we'll be using some chicken. You can see it's already boiling, and I use curry, thyme, rosemary, ginger, garlic, chicken cubes to marinate it before I start cooking. And this has been cooking for like 40 minutes because I'm using hard chicken. I want it to be so tender. And for now, the chicken is already cooked. What I'll do now is to bring them out and then fry. If you want to fry, you can use your air fryer. So guys, let's continue our cooking. So guys, you can see that I've changed the pot, or I've removed the meat. So now it's time to fry. You fry until it is golden brown. Chicken is fried. Now it's time to take them out. Then we start cooking our sumptuous chicken stew. So guys, you can see I'm using the same oil because it is well flavored. So now I'll pour in the onions and let it fry very well until it is well fried. To flavor the oil more, I'll add in some curry powder. I'll add in thyme. Then I'll add ginger and garlic. This is garlic powder. I want the oil to be really flavored. Then I'll add in some ginger powder. I tell you, if you cook your stew this way, you take it from 1% to 100%. Then I'll add in just 1 cube at this moment and keep frying the onions until it is well fried. Then I'll add in some salt at this point too, so it will add good taste to the oil. For more flavor guys, I'll add in some curry leaves. This will take your stew to another level. Now I'll add in our tomato paste so it can fry. You know that it is okay when it starts turning to very dark red or brown or oily, as if it's burning, but it's not burning. This will help to take out the tangy taste. So you keep on frying until you get some. Guys, you can see how the tomato paste is looking. It's kind of separated now, and by now the tangy taste has reduced from the paste. You can see some onions floating. If you know you don't like eating onions, then you can skip this part. At this point, we'll add in our tomato blend. In my tomato blend, it's already washed, boiled and then blended. In here, I have tomatoes, I have Tatashe, I have Shomgbo, which is chili pepper, I have ginger, I have onions, and I have garlic in here. So now I'm going to add it into the tomato paste and let it cook. For this, you need a lot of oil. You know, you have to fry your tomatoes and not boiling it. If not, you won't have that taste that you want. And after cooking, if the oil is too much, then you can now scoop them out and use to fry. And I tell you, the oil will so flavorful that you need to cook something, it's heavenly. So guys, I'll just turn now over the pot and let it fry and cook very well. it's been cooking for 10 minutes now. I didn't like to cook so long because I already boiled the tomatoes. So now I'll add the chicken stock. Then I'll add some chicken seasoning. I'll add some more curry powder. Then I'll add 1 bouillon cube and just a little bit of salt to adjust. Then I'll stir it and I'll cover the pot and let everything marry each other very well. If it is too thick, I want it a bit loosened, you can now add some water like I will just do now. So after adding the water, I will now add in the chicken so it can absorb all the juice from the tomatoes. At this point, you can just turn down your heat so it doesn't blast your face, because as it is now, just keep on blasting. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment and you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos and keep sharing. So I'll cover the pot again and let it cook for just 5 minutes, and then guys, our stew is ready. My people, this is after 3 minutes and you can see how the stew is bubbling. Like I said, kitchen police, don't come for me. Scoop out the excess oil if you don't like it, and then you can use it to fry other things. So at this point, the stew is ready and I'll turn off the heat, and this can go with hot rice, it can go with yam, it can go with pasta, or anything you want to use stew for. The face not looking so good, yeah, so make it so good. So guys, this is the end and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.